Hello guys, my name is Chris. If you are watching this video, you are most likely looking for an anti-snoring device. I want to recommend you this anti-snoring pillow that I use myself, and I've been using it for a couple of months right now. It's really comfortable. I was on the verge of breaking up with my girlfriend due to my snoring problems, and this pillow solved my snoring problem. And basically it helped me. It saved my relationship. If you are interested in solving your snoring problem and purchasing this pillow at a special discounted price of $65, I have a link below this video, so just follow the link. And I also want to show you this brief video just to explain you how this pillow works and what benefits it has.
We all need a good night's sleep, especially in these troubling times. It is hard enough to get the sleep you need when you live with a snorer. Up to 50% of adults snore. After the age of 40, it gets worse. Introducing the revolutionary Snore Ease Pillow. Snore Ease brings its unique two-pillow design to help you eliminate snoring. Created and designed by the wife of a snorer.
My husband's snoring was driving me crazy. I could not sleep in the same room anymore. So I invented Snore Ease. And what a difference. It's so effective. I'm offering an unconditional money-back guarantee so that everyone can try it risk-free.
The Snore Ease Pillow works. Here's how. Snoring occurs when the soft tissue in the back of the throat vibrates when you sleep. Using the Snore Ease Pillow, rest normally on your back or side. Notice how the Snore Ease Pillow positions the head naturally, comfortably. It raises the head and cradles it in a pocket of support. The spine and neck are properly aligned. Your head is resting so that the tissue at the back of the throat doesn't vibrate. And this prevents snoring, so that you breathe properly at night. When you breathe better at night, you're more rested and healthier. Snore Ease provides better sleep for everyone. The Snore Ease Pillow is FDA.
Snore Ease Pillow, I really thought my marriage was doomed. I was sleeping on the couch almost every night. Now that we have the Snore Ease Pillow, we both sleep soundly through the night. Thanks, Snore Ease.
We guarantee that it will help stop your snoring, or we will refund your purchase price.
Snore Ease created for me a better, more comfortable rest, and subsequently for her. Since my breathing became more regular, my snoring ceased, and I slept more deeply and woke up more rested.
Being in the finance field, having a good night's sleep is extremely important. Fortunately, I suffer from neck and back pain. I tried every pillow on the market, but nothing seemed to work. Until I tried the Snore Ease Pillow. I had the best night's sleep ever, pain-free.
My boyfriend's snoring was keeping us up at night, but since buying the Snoring Pillow, we're getting a great night's sleep.
My wife snores like a chainsaw. Thanks to the Snoring Pillow, I finally got a good night's sleep. Thank you, Snoring Pillow.
The best thing I ever did was buy the Snoring Pillow for my wife. We're 100 times happier and healthier. We wake up every morning rested and ready to go to work.
We guarantee that it will help stop your snoring, or we will refund your purchase price.
He used to keep me up all night with his snoring.
Then I got the Snore Ease Pillow.
And now he doesn't snore anymore. And we both wake up refreshed and rested.
The Snore Ease Pillow offers comfortable, quiet sleep at last.